Welcome to this tutorial video. This video walks you through two efficient methods: quickly placing standard openings or freely drawing custom openings. And you can create it in just a few steps with simple tools. Start leveling up your interior design skills now. Method 1. Go to Interior Design Tools. Select Floor Plan, Door Opening. Place the door opening on the target wall and adjust the size. Select the door opening and set the door opening shape in the parameter panel on the right. Method 2. Select Floor Plan, Custom Opening. Select a wall and click OK. Enter the shaped door opening drawing interface. You can use the tools in the toolbar above to draw the door opening shape. Use the rectangle and fillet tools to draw an arc opening. Firstly, use the rectangle tool to draw a rect opening. Then use the fillet tool to select two adjacent line segments that need to be filleted. Set the fillet radius and you're done. You can also use the Surl and Polygon tools to draw custom openings. That's all. Thanks for watching.